Want to get more FPS and smoother gameplay on your Windows 10 PC without spending any money? In this video, I'll show you a few simple settings that can instantly improve your gaming performance. So, let's get started. First, press Windows plus I to open settings, then go to Gaming and select Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is turned on. This helps Windows prioritize your games while you're playing. Next, go back to Settings, Open System, then click Power and Sleep. Select additional power settings and choose the High Performance Power plan. This allows your PC to use maximum performance during gaming. Now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, close any unnecessary apps running in the background, such as browsers or programs you don't need while gaming. After that, if you have graphic card like AMD or Nvidia, update your graphic drivers for better stability and improved game performance. Finally, restart your computer so all the changes are applied before launching your game. That's it. These simple Windows 10 settings can help improve gaming performance and make your gameplay much smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.